In the digital realm, where data is the new gold, mastering data manipulation becomes a quintessential journey for data science aspirants. This venture reveals a panorama of possibilities, posing a pivotal question: how do we transform raw data into meaningful insights? Data manipulation, therefore, emerges as a critical process involving cleaning, structuring, and enriching data, subsequently guiding informed decision-making. However, this path is strewn with challenges. Tackling missing values and inconsistent data with precision is crucial, as inaccuracies can severely mislead conclusions. It's a blend of art and science, requiring nuanced understanding and meticulous execution. Through exploring data manipulation, we grasp its essential role in data science. It enables us to spot patterns, predict trends, and make decisions, fueling innovation. Next, we'll delve into the tools and techniques that turn these challenges into opportunities, unlocking the true power of data analysis. After unveiling the challenges of data manipulation, our journey leads us into the heart of solutions, the essential tools. These tools act as alchemists, transforming raw data into valuable insights. Picture a palette, each color a unique tool like Python, R, Excel, and Tableau, each with its strength designed for specific data complexities. Python and R stand as the titans for those ready to embrace coding, offering depth and flexibility. Excel provides an accessible pathway for beginners, while Tableau brings data to life with its compelling visualizations. The choice of tool depends on the data at hand and the desired outcome, ensuring an efficient journey from raw to insightful analysis. We'll now witness these tools in action, making the chaotic strings of data unfold into coherent narratives, unveiling the stories hidden within. Venturing deeper into data manipulation, we discover the artistry in cleaning, transforming, and enriching data. Beginning with data cleaning, envision sifting through a miner's pan, discarding the gravel to reveal gold nuggets underneath, a process involving rigorous techniques to correct inaccuracies. Then, we transform data, akin to an alchemist turning lead into gold, reshaping raw input into a refined, accessible format. Finally, in enriching data, we weave in external insights, adding depth and context. This process is like infusing color into a monochrome sketch, dramatically enhancing its narrative. Our next focus will be on best practices in data manipulation, ensuring these techniques not only address current challenges, but also equip us for future endeavors. As we deepen our exploration of data manipulation, we emphasize the cornerstone best practices vital for advanced data analysis. Ensuring data quality is not a choice, but a necessity, as it is the foundation of insightful analysis, similar to choosing the finest ingredients for a gourmet dish. Maintaining data integrity is a continuous effort, comparable to constructing a tower with precision-cut blocks, where each block is a piece of data. Furthermore, the importance of documentation and reproducibility echoes through our processes, serving as blueprints that validate findings and foster collaboration. Incorporating these best practices demonstrates their critical role in achieving mastery over data manipulation. We will now illustrate these practices through practical applications, providing a blueprint for excellence in data science. Throughout our journey in the realms of data science, the transformative power of adept data manipulation has been evident, turning the unrefined into the polished and making the obscure clear. This final segment highlights compelling case studies showcasing the profound impact well-executed data manipulation techniques have across sectors like healthcare and finance. These instances not only demonstrate improved decision-making, but also how they've pushed the boundaries of possibility. The exploration of data manipulation is immense, urging aspiring data scientists to dive into this practice with zeal. We've merely scratched the surface. The true potential lies in your hands to experiment, learn, and uncover hidden insights. Let this be your starting point for a journey that could herald the next breakthrough in data analysis.